Bem-vindos aqui a mais um vídeo de unboxing. And in this movie I will talk about the SSD drive of HP Hewlett-Packard 500 gigabytes. Will be the unboxing of this solid-state drive. I will try to use this solid-state drive as my primary disk to install the operation system and the main programs in the computer. So I will make the unboxing now to check the piece. Let's do it. Here you can see some specifications. It's from HP. I bought it in MediaMarkt in Portugal for about 70 euros. It costs 70 euros. It was bought in store. I will open now from the other side. And here we have the solid state drive. It's a simple design, so this is the disk, and here we have the screws for attach this solid state drive. I'll need to make an upgrade, so I will buy an adapter, because this solid state drive is 2.5 inches, and to put it in a computer with a desktop computer, I'll need to have an adapter to put the 2.5 inches to 3.5 inches, because the internal hard disk drives, it's designed for 3.5 inches. So let's open this. Here we have the solid state drive. Here you can see it. It's a simple design. Here we have the sockets. So it's the same sockets of SATA 3 of hard disk drives. And here we have some specifications. Here you can see it. Okay. So here we have it too, a manual. I will check the quick start guide and the warranty system here, and here are the screwdrivers. Why this is 2.5? Because the disks are to install in some laptops, not desktops but laptops. The system for laptops, it's 2.5 usually, so that's why these are made 2.5 and not 3.5. We have another option of SSD for PC to install the computer, but I will use this form to put the operative system. So this is it. Here you can check from behind the box, and here we have again the solid state drive. Thank you for watching. See you next movie. Bye.